So you're back for part 2? You guys enjoyed part 1 so much that you're back for a part 2? That's crazy! Well, anyways, I decided to break up the video because it was too long, and here is part 2. Enjoy the video. What? You're still here? Go on, enjoy the video! We're going to be continuing where we left off, and we're going to finish the first part of that tutorial. Okay, so then we gotta create an infinite scrolling list view. How many more steps? Let's just finish this page today. Let's see. Okay, yeah, so this is the last one. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, so in this step, you'll expand the random word state to generate and display a list of word pairings. As the user scrolls, the list is displayed in a ListView widget. Grows infinitely. ListView's builder factory constructor, that's confusing, allows you to build a ListView lazily on demand. So we're gonna have a suggestions list, which is like a array of word pairs, and then we'll have a bigger font, which is a textile font. Okay, seems legit. Okay, and then in the state we'll add a build suggestions, which basically gives a list of word pairs. Oh, it builds a list view. Okay. Okay, it provides a builder property item builder, which that's a factory builder, and a callback function specified as an anonymous function. Okay, this is just a bunch of nonsense. They didn't even explain what factory constructors are and all that good stuff. Okay, so it takes in the build context, it takes in the row iterator I, and it starts from 0 and increments every time. And it increments twice for every suggested word pair. One for list tile, one for the divider. Okay, let's first do this. So we put in our word pair list and our bigger font. So we do that over here, and we do final suggestion. And we want a suggestion to be a list of word pairs, so we do like that, word pair, like that, like that. And then we also wanted to have our font size, so big font. What was it called? Bigger font. Big font, bigger font is an extremely important distinction, okay? Make sure you have the different names, okay? Bigger font is equal to text style font size 18.01. Wait, was it? Oh, okay. Okay. I thought they were actually going for the specifics here. Alrighty, now we go to the next part, which says to add this. Okay, let's try to understand this one by one. So first, you turn a ListView.builder, so that builds a list view. You give it the padding that it should have. Then you give it the item builder, so it starts with the context, and it has an I, and then while I is odd, it returns a divider. Otherwise, if it's even, then it gives, hold up, this is confusing. Okay, so index is I divided by 2. Wait, what? Oh, so that's how they do integer division in Flutter. So this is important to know. So this is integer division. Okay, that makes sense. And then if it's greater, then it adds all generate word pairs dot take 10. Okay, so basically, if you're trying to build the list past its current length, it just generates 10 more word pairs, right? Yeah, okay, and then you return, what is build row even? Oh, okay, so in our list view, this is a thing for list views. So it builds the rows of your suggestion of the index. Okay, so basically we're taking our list view, right? And we're going through it, and if we're at an odd thing, so we put a divider. So at 0, we put the first thing in our suggestions list. Then we get to 1, so it's odd, so we put a divider, and then we put the next thing, then we put a divider, then we put the next thing. Okay, so the list view doesn't automatically put dividers. We had to put in dividers ourselves. Okay, let's see if we could write this without looking at the code. So it should go over here. Bruh, I'm already forgot where we're supposed to put it. Where are we supposed to put this? Oh, it's so, yeah, so it is in there, and then it's widget build suggestion. And we want to take in a build context, I'm assuming. Right? No, not even, okay, whatever. So basically return a list view dot builder. Okay, so now that we have our builder, we gotta do the hold up. Oh, okay, so then you do all the weird, okay, so this syntax is kind of weird. Okay, so these are like parameters. So we gotta first pass in our padding, then our item builder. And our item builder takes in a context and an I. Wait, what? Okay, this is interesting. Okay, yeah, so you put our item builder, you put the 2 things you wanna pass in. And then, okay, so this is not really a method, this is like not a method, I guess. Okay, so we do padding And how much do I want padding? Const edge inset dot all. So it basically gives you a 16-inch padding on all sides, comma, item builder, and then this is the fun stuff where you do context I, and then if I dot is odd, okay, and then you return a divider. Otherwise, you gotta check whether or not you want to put a divider. I mean, no, wait, we already put a divider. You want to check whether or not you're outside your range. So it'd be if I is greater than or equal to suggestion.length. If that's the case, then we, what, add to it? Hold on. Yeah, so you add to it, okay. Oh yeah, we should probably make our index variable. Final index is equal to I over 2. Suggestions dot add all, and then generate word pairs. Hold up, that's not what I wanted. Generate word pairs take 10. Very nice. Okay, and then otherwise, else return text suggestions I index. Oh, what? You just build row. Okay, never mind. Do we even define build row? Oh, okay, so now we're gonna define build row. Oh, okay, so they literally just did what I did, except what they did was they... Oh no, so you had to have a list tile, that's why. I'm just gonna copy this because it's just like short and I think we understand it. So it takes the list tile and it puts the title on it, which is the text, which is a pair as passive case with bigger font. Very nice. Okay, and then we, in the random word state, we update the build method to use build suggestion. So the body of our build method is going to be build suggestions. Okay. So we take this. So it basically have a scaffold. It takes the app bar and puts the name startup generator over here. That didn't confuse me at all. And then for our body, we do build suggestions. Okay. No? Oh yeah, to make it text. Okay, this is confusing. You had to do widget even for text. Oh yeah, to do a return over here. And then, oh, that's kind of cool. They have like which things ending over here. So then we gotta also have our body, which is build suggest. Very nice. Okay, and then we gotta update the thing to have, oh, voice crack. Jeez. Okay, so let's see. And then we literally just make our home random words because that's our whole thing. Okay. So here we do title, startup name generator, and then home is literally just random words. And then we shouldn't need any of this stuff. Nice. And then we hot reload. This is gonna be epic, okay? You guys don't even know. Are you ready for this? Oh wait, is this it? Hold up. Ah! No! Okay, hold up, Wait. Oh, it doesn't say to do anything to this stuff. Wait, hold up. Undo. But that doesn't make any sense. Hold up, it's time to do some debugging. Let's see what we got. So this for sure is not there. That I'm pretty sure about. Okay, so we have our material app. We go to random words. It creates a state with this state, and we have our word pair. Okay, let us make sure. So this is right. So our build suggestion is probably what's wrong. Let's make sure that's right. Build, where's our build? Okay, that's right. And then build the row. Oh, did we do that? Whoops, did I not? Oh yeah, I must have copied it, right? Okay, I did. Okay, and then build suggestions. Is this exactly right? Return ListView.builder, padding, oh, here. Okay, let's just look at this. So it says libmain.dart. Okay, so this is right. That's right. That's right. Is it right? Oh, const. Wow. Oh, that's the problem. Okay. But it should be infinite. Hold up. Is suggestions.length right? Suggestions.length, where are you? Oh, what? What? Oh, no. Okay, that's right. Wait, why would it only have 5? So the problem must be that it's not generating words. Let us see, libMainDart. What do you got for me? Oh, wait. Oops, the index, that's the problem. We did it, this should work. I say that every time, but it's gonna work this time. Hey, we got a green screen, okay, it has to work. I don't see how that's related, but it is, okay, this is just big brain quality stuff. Holy, wait, it just literally, is that it? Is that all you're gonna show me? Come on. So it should go infinitely. Oh, it's supposed to do this regardless. Oh, okay. Whoops, we had something that was not returning. Okay, that was the dumbest mistake I've seen in my life. But we figured it out, and it should be working. This time it's actually gonna be working. Okay, don't lose your trust in me that fast. Come on. Oh, holy, very nice, very nice, very nice. Cool. Okay, Flutter is kind of confusing. It's all widgets, and you have to, even for text, you have to do widgets. But I mean, that's a pretty satisfying result. Not as satisfying as a button, but extremely satisfying. Okay, that's all I got for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate your guys' feedback, like my man Pankaj Sharma for telling me to use Android Studio, because honestly, I think Android Studio is a better use for this kind of tutorial because we're focusing on Flutter. We might as well use the specific tool that is meant to use for. I could English, I swear. And I mean, the results are great. It works either way. So, thank you, and you guys should leave your feedback too if you guys want me to do anything differently. Next time, we'll get into the second part of the tutorial, and hopefully by the end of that, we'll be ready to move on to our actual app. So as always, if you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and see you guys next time.